So hello friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about how to create a table and how to format that table in Power BI. So we have a PowerBI screen here, and we already have a file which we have already have a link in the description. You can download that, and from that I have taken one sheet which is order sheet, so it's an Excel file, and from this Excel file we will create a table. For creating a table, we first of all have to go to the table. In the visualization pane, you will find this table option here. You just click over it, and here is the format of the table. You just increase its size, and now we have a column here. So like in table, we only have one column. We do not have different titles here or like filters here like we have earlier in maps and in charts or in charts and bar charts and everywhere. So we only have column here, so and we have to take things here only. So first of all I will take category here. I just drag it category. Then next thing I will take city. I will drag it. And the next thing is I will take profit sales. I will just drag the sales also here. So we have a multiple column here which include your sales, category, city, and beside that I even take quantity also. So I have 4 column in our sheet. So these are our all things, but its size is small, so we have to increase its size. To increase its size, we click over it, and then I will go here in visualization pane. I will format your visualization, and in format your visualization we have values. I click on values and increase its size to 22, and just go outside, so our size is increased now. Beside that I bold this, and if you want to change the color we can do that also. Background, if we need any background we can even take some background also, either it's blue or whatever you like, you can take that background also. But here we do not take anything. I take it simple white. I just want to show you this is the way we can have a background, so we keep it simple white. And now we have these categories also. We can even need to increase the size also, and if you want to give some title to this sheet we can do that also. So first of all I have increased the size, and now I want to increase the size of our these headings. So to increase the size of headings, I just go here column header and just bold it and just increase the size. I take it again, click over it and take it 22 and press enter. So now we have a column header of 22, and if you want to change the color we can even change the color also. So I take them color a bit of blue there. So this is our data here, and if you want to keep them center we can keep them center also. So these are things which we can do with our data. Here we even want to whatever we want to do we can do here also, like center, whatever, values, this values also. If I click over this, bold, italic, so we have different things here. Now beside that, if we want to arrange them in sequence, like a bigger number to larger to smaller or smaller to larger, we can do that. If you will click here the button, so we can have larger to smaller, or either we can click again, it can have smaller to bigger. Similarly here also we can do that, but in cities it can be arranged according to alphabetical order. Like if I will click, it will be on alphabetical order. Similarly with category, and simultaneously the range, the other rows which are beside this also change according to the sequence we have taken in category or in any field. So according to that will change. So this is the way we can do that. And now beside that, if you want to give a header to this, for giving a header I will go here journal, and in title I want to put a title, and I will write down like some XYZ data, whatever you like to write according to the data you have, and just make it bold, increase its size to 22 again, press enter, and then I will give a background also to this. I will background as blue, and keep it in center and change its color to white. So in this way, we have a formatted our sheet. And beside that, if we will go to our visuals and then we will do styles present. If you will go to style present, so here we have many styles. These are automatic, like some themes which are given by the Power BI, from where you can create according to your own style of formatted sheets. Like if you will go to default, in place of default, if you will click here and take this like minimum bold header, so this will change to bold header now. Now this is our way of presenting. Now if you want to change it to some others, we can do that also. So these are the different things we can do. Beside that, if you want to keep some lines, horizontal lines in that, and that will be white, if you need the white lines, and give it some value here 10, so then you can see that line. So these are the horizontal lines here, 10, and if you want to keep them, you can keep them. We just on this horizontal line here. Similarly, if you want to give some vertical lines, I just on this and give some white is the color here, and I will give 10, so it is more value. So this is the horizontal and vertical line if you want to give to our table, so we can have that also. Total is also showing that. And if you want to add or remove any field, we can do that. If you will go to our again to our add data, and if you want to remove or add anything, if you want to add region also, we can add region also here. So we have a region column with us also. So accordingly we can change and format our table. So this is the way we can create a table in a Power BI. It's a very simple way. You just have to drag and drop. That's all from this video.